rational expressions. There are A plus B over C plus 3 minus Y over M. I need to add these three fractions. To add fractions, we have to have the same common denominator. Common denominator for these three fractions is Cm. So, what I'm missing here is an M. So I have to multiply also the top by M. How about for the 3? What is my denominator here? 1. So I'm missing C and M, correct?
Yes.
The last fraction I am missing, just C. So multiply above and below by C. Now all of them, they have the same common denominator, which is Cm. I'm going to use the distributive property for the first numerator. So AM plus BM. AM plus BM plus 3CM minus CY. And this is my answer for the first problem. B. X plus Y over A plus B minus 6Y over A. Least common denominator is AAB. AAB. So this one's going to go into parentheses. So here, A plus B. The first fraction, I'm missing the A. So I have to multiply above and below by A. Second fraction, I am missing the A plus B. So I have to multiply the top also by A plus B. Denominator A plus B. Numerator A, X plus Y minus 6Y, A plus B. Use distributive property for the first term. So that will be AX plus AY. Use also distributive property for the second term, negative 6Y times A. So that would be negative 6AY. Negative 6Y times B will be negative 6BY, because negative times positive is negative 6B and Y. Denominator will be A squared plus AB after I apply distributive property. Now you have to be careful that you have to look if you have any like terms. I have positive AY and negative 6AY. I can simplify here. My first term AX will stay the same, AX. Positive 1, negative 6 is negative 5AY. Negative 6BY over A squared plus AB. (52b). We're going to talk about overall average. And this would be example C. The average of the first 9 tests was 90. The average of the last 11 tests was 86. And the question is, what was the overall overall average. Remember that the average is the sum of numbers over the numbers of how many tests I have. I had 9 tests that they were averaged into a 90. So if I take 9 times 90 plus 11 tests were 86. If I take 11 times 86, how many tests I have in all? How many?
20.
20. How did we get the 20? Is 9 plus 11. So that would be here 810 plus 946 over 20, and the overall average will be 87.8. So if I have 9 tests with their average 90, 11 tests with their average 86, and I want the overall average, take the 9, multiply it by the 90, the 11 times 86, over the number of all the tests. 9 plus 11 is 20, and you can average the whole thing. Thank you.